GoPro 5, guys, it just rocks. GoPro 6 has some issues. Go check it out on YouTube, you'll see. So GoPro 5 unboxing, and here we go. Love this little camera for just being in my pocket, really. And really you get shots that you wouldn't think of getting with a mirrorless or DSLR. So GoPro 5 rocks. Let's do the unboxing. So you open it up here. Take it out of the box. Really exciting stuff. This is such a nice case. Okay, so you want to take it out of here. So the clips are pretty hard to get out. Thing up here, lift it up, then you got the clamps. Little rubber thing up here, lift up, you got the clamps, and then you push it out. Pull it out. There we go. You got your sweet baby. So now this is what you can keep. There we go. Keep these. Really nice. Okay, GoPro box for all your goodies. You'll have your battery. Let's check it out now what we have inside. Oh, GoPro stickers. Love it. And what's it? You break it, we'll replace it. Yeah, this is really cool. Have you seen there's a video on GoPro site where an elephant comes walking along and he actually kicks the GoPro and this message pops up. You break it, we'll replace it. So I've lost my GoPros, you know. Hello, sweetheart. This is my famous cat. Samba cat. He has an Instagram as well. So GoPro manual. And what else do we have here, Samba? Some bits and pieces. So GoPro battery. I love this. It's so tiny. Battery. I bought another battery, GoPro battery. You can get other makes of batteries. I don't know. This is your charger for the GoPro. It's a C-class charger and a holder. That's about it in the box. Next up would be to take it out of the skeleton case. So you just unclip it like this. It's pretty hard. Unclip it. Squeeze it out of the case in using both, how to say, both fingers. Squeeze it out of the skeleton case. There we go. And you've got your beautiful GoPro. You can take the sticker off the back. So once you've pushed it out of the skeleton case, you want to insert the battery. So you're just pushing here. You push on the button, slide forward. It opens up. You put in the battery. Probably be 10% charged. So the battery goes GoPro with GoPro. Yep. GoPro with GoPro. Slide it in. Force click, push it down. I bought the 64 gig Extreme. This is just in case of recovery. So you want to take your SD card, hold the GoPro like this. SD card goes in like this. So with the letters facing you, push it in, and you'll want to push it down hard until it clicks. It locks in there. Nice. Cool. You push down, close, click. Power on. 2 beeps. Says low battery. But let's just go through some display modes here. Guys, okay, simple functions for your new out-of-the-box GoPro. You've popped in the memory card. You've got a battery in. So here you go. This is the power on button. This, if you push this, see it's lighting up and it's going straight into video mode. And it will go straight into the settings that you did have. Okay, to switch it off, you're pushing here. There we go. Then to charge your USB, this is the other little port. And open it like that. You've got your HDMI and your Class C port. Pop it in there, and you want to go charge it for 2 hours. See you later. I hope you enjoyed the review and setup of the GoPro. It really is just like a small little camera that is super rugged. So don't be scared of breaking it. It's like super precious and super nice. I know. Take it out of the skeleton case. Do the updates, do your daytime GPS, do your preferences, your voice control, what else? Charge your battery, do your firmware. and then play around with the settings. So really go out every day and use it. Put it in this pocket and use it. That's how you're going to get the best photos. That's how you're going to know how to get the photos. And for me, I can now throw away this little baby. This has actually still got a film in it, but I've never developed it. But yeah, I'm doing my paddy course in Barcelona in the Mediterranean, so you can see a lot more water photos. I'm a regular on Instagram, so follow me there. Hit the like button down below. Please subscribe, drop me a message, give me some love and I'll give it back to you. Thank you so much.